Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of lens cleaning with the best Care Touch lens wipes available on the market. Whether you wear glasses, sunglasses, or have optical screens that need a pristine clean, these wipes promise to deliver. Let's explore what makes them stand out from the rest. Care Touch offers a pack of 210 individually wrapped, pre-moistened lens cleaning wipes. They boast a streak-free formula designed to effectively clean and dry quickly, leaving no residue behind. Ideal for coated lenses, these wipes are versatile enough for optical screens and are made from soft, lightweight material for gentle yet effective cleaning. These wipes are highly rated for their quality and effectiveness, trusted by thousands of users. They're designed to meet the needs of anyone looking to keep their eyewear and screens crystal clear without hassle. Unlike other lens cleaning wipes, Care Touch stands out with its generous quantity, affordable price point, and dependable cleaning performance. It's no wonder they've become a favorite among consumers looking for reliable lens care solutions. In conclusion, if you're in the market for top-notch lens cleaning wipes that deliver on quality and reliability, look no further than Care Touch. Whether you need them for glasses, sunglasses, or digital screens, these wipes are a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. Grab a pack today and see why they're trusted by so many. That wraps up our review of the best Care Touch lens wipes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, your trusted source for honest reviews. See you next time.